Hello there and welcome to the third day of my tour around the Wilderness Road. My name is Mike and I make bike touring related content such as travelogues like this one. If you're into bike touring videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any new videos from this tour. Well, this is the third day and I hope that we will have a bit of an easier day than yesterday. We got some nice weather today at least. Looking forward to another nice day here on the Wilderness Road.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been running in circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye.
Remember when I said that I wished for a bit of an easier day today? Well, I've just been climbing for the last 30 minutes or so. Whew. But I think I can finally see the top up here. And when you're climbing, the air kind of stands still, so you don't get that nice breeze on you. And since the air is standing still, the flies appear out of nowhere as well. I bet they can probably smell me from a kilometer away.
Are you hearing my words I'm saying to you? 'Cause I'm looking in your eyes, you're looking past mine.
now I'm entering a town called Gäddede, and they have both ICA supermarket here as well as a restaurant. So I think I'm gonna see if I can find something to eat and stock up on some stuff for the coming days here. Someone has had a smart idea of turning a phone booth into a greenhouse. So I'm actually deviating off the wilderness road now for about 45 kilometers. I'm going to see a really impressive waterfall on this side of the water here. And I'm really close to the Norwegian border now. I saw a sign back there that said that the Norwegian border is only 4 kilometers away. This road is soon turning into a gravel road, so that's gonna be interesting to see the quality of the gravel road. When I spoke to those motorcycle guys yesterday, they told me that the quality of the gravel was really nice. They thought it'd be no problem for me going on there with my bike. From the gravel road down there, I had to go up 4 kilometers with about 150 meter climb. So I'm quite beat now at the end of the day. But I'm finally here now, so I really hope the waterfall is worth the effort to get here. So I'm just gonna take a short hike now down to the waterfall. So the sign up there said that the waterfall has a drop of 43 meters, which makes it one of Sweden's biggest waterfalls. I don't know if you can hear me right now, but behind me here we have Hällingsåfallet, which is 43 meters and one of the biggest waterfalls we have here in Sweden. Whew, talk about an air scare there. I've been cycling on this gravel road for maybe 40 minutes now, and I haven't seen a single car coming in each direction. So when I set up my camera to do a ride-by shot, of course a car comes just after me, and I had put my tripod just in the middle of the road, so he maybe had 2.5 meters to pass. So I'm really lucky he saw the camera, otherwise kaput. Finally found a decent campsite. I've been seeing these shelters all over the place earlier today and the other days as well. But when you want to find a shelter, there's nowhere to be seen. So the reason why I wanted to have a shelter for the night is, if I haven't already mentioned it, it's gonna rain cats and dogs this night and tomorrow morning, and maybe all the way until the afternoon. So now I've set up my tent inside of the shelter and also made some lentil soup that I'm gonna eat as a late supper. I'm still full after the pizza that I ate for lunch and I've been snacking on some things all the way. So my hunt for a shelter took me for a really long day today. I managed to cycle 130 kilometers, and I think I did around 20-25 after I left the gravel road. But I still think I found a really nice campsite with another beautiful view over a lake here. So thanks for riding along with me today, and watch out for the next episode coming in a week's time. And until then, have a good one.